Good morning, everyone. This is Simple Doshi again with you, your trainer for English and IELTS. I am specialized and certified for English, IELTS, and Duolingo from British Council. Today, I would like to give you some insights related to the usage of simple present tense. What do you mean by simple present tense? Simple present tense is the activities that we do every day in the life, the action that we do every day, the activities that we do every day. And in simple present tense, two things are being used. One is pronouns and then is verb. Now, how to use this simple present tense in the pronouns and with the verbs. Now, if you say, I guess everybody know what do you mean by pronouns. Pronouns is the verb which is used instead of the noun. Pronoun is the word which is being used instead of the noun. So the pronoun is I, you, we, they. So how do we use I, you, we, they with the verb? Like, let me give you an example. I have a bike. We do our homework every day. My parents go to work by car. So here the pronouns are I, we, my, and the verbs are have, to, go. And if you want to use the pronouns like he, she, it, if we are talking about some second person, then we can use the verbs like has, goes, does. Why we should use s with the verb? Because we are talking about second person. As an example, like it has a flat tire. My father does a lot of work at home. My sister goes to school by bus. Here, the pronoun is it, he, she, and the possessive pronoun is mine. And then the verbs are it, has, and goes. So this is how we can use simple present tense. Now, if we want to talk about he, she, it, then you can even talk about he does his homework very well. She goes to school regularly. It plays in the garden every day. So this is how you can use the pronouns. Like, again, I would give you an example using we. We have a house in the suburbs. So here pronoun is we have a house in the suburbs. My mom and dad means my mom and dad both go downtown to work. So if we are talking about my mom and dad means they, and here the verb is used go. So if I talk about my mom only, then I can use my mom goes to work every day. So this is how you can practice very well about simple present tense. There will be more insights and more knowledge will be given to you in my next video and usage of simple present tense. Till then, you can just practice more and more so you get this particular tense and you always talk fluently in English. Thank you. I hope this tips would be more helpful to you in future. Thank you. Bye. Ciao.